guys, here we go. This is a strawberry cough review for the pods. It definitely has a little bit of a sweet strawberry kind of to it. This one's you're looking at 411.24 milligrams. Yeah, milligrams. So it also has 1.16 milligrams of CBD. I like the Stiiizy store. You know it's legit because it has the hologram and a scratch off. So you can actually scan with the QR code underneath, and it'll take you to their website and let you know it's a legit one. I love that Stiiizy, they're all fresh. This one was manufactured on the 20th of February, packaged on March 2nd, so it's only April 7th right now, so that's pretty good. Alright, if you want to follow Stiiizy, you can go to any of their... I would say the strawberry cough is good for probably... I usually use it for exercise. It's good, you know, to be up for the day. It also has that kind of hybrid to it, though, a little bit. I would say, to where you're up, but you're not all the way up. Because sometimes you smoke the sativas, and you tend to be too up, and you don't really feel faded. This one's not like that. This one gives you that faded feel as well as being alert and awake. Tastes amazing. Lasts a good while. Remember, guys, if you like and subscribe and share these, one day we'll probably be able to have way better videos when we have more technology. Thanks for your time, guys.